Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను చెప్పబోతున్న క్లాస్ డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ పార్ట్ 38. మన ఫస్ట్ బిట్, వాట్ ఈస్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్? ఆప్షన్ ఏ, కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ that manage hardware resources. Option B, system service provider to the application programs. Option C, link to interface the hardware and application programs. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the mentioned. Second bit, which one of the following errors will be handled by the operating system? Option A, power failure. Option B, lack of paper in printer. Option C, connection failure in network. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the mentioned. Third bit, by operating system, the resource management can be done via dash. Option A, time division multiplexing. Option B, space division multiplexing. Option C, time and space division multiplexing. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, time and space division multiplexing. Fourth bit, if a process fails, most operating system write the error information to a dash. Option A, log file. Option B, another running process. Option C, new file. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, log file. Fifth bit, which one of the following is not a real-time operating system? Option A, VxWorks. Option B, Windows CE. Option C, RT Linux. Option D, Palm OS. Answer వచ్చేసి Palm OS. Sixth bit, the systems which allow only one process execution at a time are called dash. Option A, uni-programming systems. Option B, uni-processing systems. Option C, uni-tasking systems. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, uni-processing systems. Seventh bit, a process can be transmitted due to, a process can be terminated due to dash. Option A, normal exit. Option B, fatal error. Option C, kill by another process. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the mentioned. Eighth bit, what is inter-process communication? Option A, communication within the process. Option B, communication between two processes. Option C, communications between two threads of same process. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer వచ్చేసి communication between two processes. Ninth bit, a set of processes is deadlock if dash. Option A, each process is blocked and will remain so forever. Option B, each process is terminated. Option C, all processes are trying to kill each other. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, each process is blocked and will remain so forever. 10th bit, which of the following is not the state of a process? Option A, new. Option B, old. Option C, waiting. Option D, running. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, old. 11th bit, what is the degree of multi-programming? Option A, the number of processes execute per unit time. Option B, the number of processes in the ready queue. Option C, the number of processes in the input output queue. Option D, the number of process in memory. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, the number of processes in memory. 12th bit, processes synchronization can be done on dash. Option A, hardware level. Option B, software level. Option C, both hardware and software level. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer వచ్చేసి Option C, both hardware and software level. 13th bit. In Unix, each process is identified by its dash. Option A, process control block, process controller block. Option B, device queue. Option C, process identifier. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, process identifier. 14th bit. In priority scheduling algorithm, option A, CPU is allocated to the process with highest priority. Option B, CPU is allocated to the process with lowest priority. Option C, equal priorities process cannot be scheduled. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, CPU is allocated to the process with highest priority. 15th bit. What is a trap or exception? Option A, hardware generated interrupts causes by an error. Option B, software generated interrupts causes by an error. Option C, user generated interrupts causes by an error. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer just option B, software generated interrupts causes by an error. ఫ్రెండ్స్ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేయండి, అండ్ అలానే నా ఛానల్ని ఇప్పటి వరకు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోయి ఉంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.